Hi, in this video, I will show you how to find your debit card number on Chase app. So, you'll require Chase mobile app, a logged in account and active debit card. Simply open Chase app, log into your Chase account, then select a checking account, tap the account link to your debit card, open card details by tapping manage account or card services. Select the debit card and tap show card number or digital card. Verify using Face ID, fingerprint, or passcode. Your full debit card number will appear. And if you don't see the option, feature may not be available in some regions or your country, and card may be locked or replaced, or app will not be updated, or maybe you can try Chase website instead. Important notes: CVV and expiry may be hidden, and never share your card details and use only on trusted sites. Alternatively, you can use your physical card or contact Chase support if number is hidden. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.